Welcome back to the Fox Shop, everybody. I've got Buddy down here. He's just hanging out with me. Jesse's out here. Just doing a little update. Beautiful day out today. Yeah, Jesse's out there hanging out in the yard. Had the green truck out today. We're moving Leanna's son. He's moving in for a couple of months. And his two kids, a 2-year-old and well, he'll be 6 here in I think 4 days, something like that. A little update on my arm, looking a lot better. Supposed to have this all wrapped up. The problem is it won't stay on, so I just got this big, I can't really focus, bandage thing on there. Stitches look good. I don't have the big lump on my arm anymore. It feels a lot better, so I think everything's going good there. Still have this sitting out here. I hooked up, I was trying to get this started the other day, so I put the battery charger on it, and that was working good. And then I brought the Tahoe down, hooked it up to it, and the battery on this, the connections, and on the Tahoe started smoking. I think there's a short somewhere, probably focus, maybe in the starter on this. I don't know what's going on. Darn thing, I'd turn the key and it would continue even trying to start after I turned the key off. And then I unhooked it and I just put the battery charger on it, and the needle just went clear over. So I think there's something shorting out in that. I did, however, that red truck, well, the red truck from, that's where this bed came from, and the fenders and everything that I have. I had it over in the Quonset building over here, just basically the cab and the frame. I took the doors off of it, the fenders off of it, everything I wanted off of it, and place from up in Ames came down and they picked it up, gave me $275 for it, and I'm like, well, that's worth more than it was just sitting in here, and I didn't have any use for it, so I just had them take it. Not a whole lot. I got some other things I could sell. There's the original green hood off my pickup. Let's see, that white hood, I'm not sure where that came from. And there's another one. There's a couple of tailgates, 3 tailgates, I guess. This front bumper is originally off of my pickup. I don't know, I kind of forgot what all is in here, actually, from when the barn shop blew down, or roof got destroyed and then got torn down. So anyway, I got that sold, and they were asking about other things out here. They were asking about this brown truck, and I'm like, nope, it's not for sale. I just put a new clutch in that. I just got to figure out what the electrical problem is in that. So hopefully here before long we'll get going back. I'm still not supposed to, I don't know, I feel like I could do about anything, but not supposed to lift or push or pull or anything, and didn't have very good luck with that last time, and so I'm trying to do what they tell me to do. Although I think it was because there was still some wood in there, which they got out when they did the second surgery on that. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It was all full of fluid, and that's all gone. It was all squishy, but that's all gone. So anyway, just thought I'd give you guys an update here on what's going on. Not a lot. We got to get her son moved in. It's kind of chaotic with 2 little kids that we are not used to. Kind of makes you wonder why you ever had kids, but we're getting used to it. When you get it thrown into a scenario with a 2-year-old just out of the blue, and yeah, it takes a little getting used to, right, bud? Bud will put up with a lot. Jessie, on the other hand, she does not like having her come up and picking on her. She comes up on Bud and she tries pulling his ears and fingers and eyes and his mouth and everything else, and eventually he gets a little bit tired of that. Jessie, on the other hand, has just had it. She's like, don't mess with me. Not gonna bite her, but she'll nip at her and scare her, and then she's crying and stuff, but Jessie's never hurt anything. So anyway, just thought I'd give you an update what's going on. Leanna and her son, well, the back end of my pickup has got a bunch of stuff in it. I think just gonna pull it into the garage for tonight. He's running on about 2 hours of sleep today, and just wants to relax, I think. They're at the store right now. I'm gonna pick up some groceries and something just to throw in the oven for tonight. Something quick, and unload a few things. She's got my Tahoe right now, back in full of that. Well, he bought a car today too, so I don't know. It's a shit show, but we'll get through it, right, buddy? Anyway, guys, that's what's going on. Hopefully I'll get back to work on this thing. I know I should have been way back to work on this before now, but I just haven't, and that's the way it goes. We've had a lot of life going on right now. So anyway, guys, I thought I'd throw something out there for you. Still here, still gonna make videos, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.